Wood crafts have changed. What sold 5 years ago doesn't always sell today. Trends shift, customer expectations grow, and buyers are more selective than ever. In 2026, people are not just buying handmade items. They're buying purpose, design, and usefulness. In this video, we're looking at 10 wood crafts that are selling extremely well right now. These are not novelty items. They're practical, repeatable, and scalable. They work for online shops, local markets, and custom orders. What makes these crafts successful is not complexity. It's alignment with modern lifestyle. The first major category driving sales in 2026 is functional home organization. People want their spaces to feel calm and intentional. Wood organizers continue to perform strongly because they feel warm, durable, and timeless. Simple desk organizers, entryway trays, and modular storage pieces sell consistently. They don't rely on trends. They rely on everyday use. Buyers are drawn to clean lines and neutral finishes. They want items that blend into their homes rather than stand out loudly. Minimalist wood organizers fit that demand perfectly. Another craft selling extremely well is wall-mounted wood decor with function. This includes shelves, racks, and holders that serve a clear purpose. Decor alone is not enough anymore. Function adds value. Floating shelves, key holders, and display ledges sell because they solve problems while improving aesthetics. People are willing to pay more for items that feel custom-made. The third high-performing wood craft in 2026 is small furniture with flexible use. This includes benches, stools, side tables, and compact stands. These pieces work in apartments, home offices, and outdoor spaces. They don't take up much room. They're easy to move, and they feel intentional. Buyers prefer furniture that adapts to different needs. A bench that can be seating, storage, or display surface is more valuable than a single-purpose piece. Wood kitchen accessories continue to sell at a strong pace. Items like cutting boards, serving boards, utensil holders, and countertop organizers remain popular. The key difference in 2026 is presentation. Customers expect clean finishes, smooth edges, and consistent design. Rustic is no longer enough. Refined simplicity sells better. Personalization also plays a role. Initials, subtle engraving, or size customization increase perceived value without increasing build complexity. Another category selling very well is plant-related wood crafts. Plant stands, wall planters, and small display shelves perform strongly. Indoor plants are still part of modern living. Wood complements greenery naturally. It feels organic and calming. The best-selling plant accessories are simple and modular. They work in small spaces. They don't overwhelm the plant itself. Wood bathroom accessories are also in high demand. Soap trays, shelf units, towel holders, and organizers sell because they replace plastic with something warmer and more durable. Bathrooms are small spaces. People notice details there. Wood adds a spa-like feel when used carefully. Moisture-resistant finishes are important, but design matters more. Clean shapes and smooth surfaces sell better than decorative carving. Storage-focused wood crafts remain one of the most reliable sellers. Crates, boxes, drawer organizers, and modular storage units perform well across platforms. Customers like storage that looks intentional, something that feels built for a space rather than added later. Wood storage sells because it balances strength and beauty. It feels permanent but still approachable. Another strong seller in 2026 is office and work-from-home accessories. Laptop stands, monitor risers, cable organizers, and desk shelves continue to grow in demand. Remote work is now normal. People invest in their workspaces. They want items that feel professional and comfortable. Wood adds warmth to digital environments. It softens screens and technology. Outdoor wood crafts also perform well when designed thoughtfully. Simple benches, side tables, and plant stands sell better than large furniture sets. Buyers prefer small outdoor pieces that can fit balconies, patios, and entryways. Durability matters. So does portability. Clean outdoor designs with sturdy proportions outperform decorative ones. The final high-selling category is gift-ready wood crafts. These include trays, boxes, keepsake items, and functional decor that works as a present. People want meaningful gifts. Wood feels personal and lasting. It doesn't feel disposable. Packaging and presentation are critical here. A simple object feels premium when it arrives well-finished and well-presented. Across all 10 categories, the pattern is clear. The best-selling wood crafts in 2026 are not flashy. They're useful, they are well-designed, and they fit modern living. Low material costs combined with high perceived value create success. Consistency matters more than variety. Repeatable designs scale better than one-off builds. Selling wood crafts today is about understanding how people live. Small spaces, busy schedules, desire for calm and order. When a product supports those needs, it sells. If you focus on function first, design second, and finish last, you build crafts that last in the market.